Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by restarting your Android phone to clear transient errors and stuck processes. Hold the power button and choose Restart or Power Off, then boot again. If the crash persists, boot into safe mode to run a minimal system. To enter safe mode, hold power then long press Restart or use your device key combo. In safe mode, observe whether Com.android phone still stops. If crashes stop, a recently installed app is likely causing the problem. Open Settings, then Apps or Applications and find the phone app entry. Tap Storage, then clear cache to remove temporary files. If crashes continue, choose Clear Data to reset call logs and app preferences. After clearing, restart the device and test calling functions. Also open Settings, then Google Play Services and clear its cache if available. Check Play Store for updates to the phone app and Google Play Services, and update both before proceeding further. If clearing data did not help, reset app preferences in Settings, then Apps, reset app preferences. This action re-enables disabled system apps and restores default handlers. Remove and reset the SIM card to rule out SIM-related telephony errors and avoid network misconfigurations. If problems still happen, backup contacts, photos, and files to cloud or PC. Then perform a factory reset in Settings, System. Reset option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.